You can create an email automation where it automatically sends the client's information, and if they click on something, it will send them another email. I mean, the opportunities and benefits are endless.
Hello and welcome to the Elevate podcast. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski. I'm a salon owner, educator, and mindset coach that helps hairstylists and salon owners go from overwhelmed and burnt out to motivated and empowered. It is my mission to help you systemize your business, generate more profit, and create a career behind the chair that you love. Join us every week to learn about small shifts you can make to elevate your business regarding mindset, marketing, social media, business systems, and so much more.
So in today's podcast, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite online platforms and one of my favorite resources that has really simplified and helped automate my business and has been a game changer for me as a salon owner and also as a course creator. Today's episode is not sponsored. I am just obsessed with Kajabi. There are so many things that I love about this platform that really do help, I think, so many salon owners, or can help so many salon owners really just simplify so many things in their business. Kajabi is an online host for all of the things that you need. So I'm going to go over how to utilize Kajabi to really set up systems and really automate your business, possibly even set up another stream of revenue for you as a salon owner. First, let's go over what Kajabi offers. It is a very robust platform. It really does have all of the things that you need to truly market your business. So first and foremost, you can build your website. Their website builder is professional. There's a lot of templates that you can use. So it really does allow you to create a website that you can be proud of. It's safe and secure. They have the opportunity for SEO optimization, which is important for your business. You can also use a custom domain. Now, I love the option where you can pay a larger monthly fee, and we host several of our websites through Kajabi. We have one for our studios, our salon, and we also have one for our education. So it really does house everything in one spot. Another thing that's so great about Kajabi is that you can create courses. So it is a course creation platform. Even if you are a salon owner who doesn't have any current courses, I am going to give you some ideas to help automate your business so you can utilize this platform to really kind of step away and create freedom for you as an owner. One, we have our 12-week stylist training program. This is the program that our stylists have to go through. It is 12 weeks of videos. And if you are not somebody who wants to do videos, you can also do audio recordings, upload PDFs. You can fill in copy or text. So it's not just a video platform, but it really does allow me to automate my training for my stylist. So for this 12-week training, it is social media, it's mindset, it's a technical skill, and it is a client experience. And the one thing that I love about Kajabi is I can go into each one of my stylist accounts and I can see exactly what videos they have or haven't watched and how much of the video they've watched. So through the training program, it does allow me to hold them accountable because I can literally see what they're consuming and what they aren't. This too allows them to consume the content on their own time or consume it during downtime or during processing time or in between clients, which allows them to really kind of take on the training as they feel fits into their schedule, which is great. This is completely hands off for me. Once I've completed the videos, we're done, and it allows them just to come to me with questions or the things that they're struggling with. Another thing that I love about Kajabi is we can automate our onboarding. Our onboarding process is also in Kajabi, and that's every single step that the stylist needs to do. Apps they need to download, any information they need to give to us is in the onboarding program, which allows us, again, to be as hands-off as possible. And last but not least, we utilize Kajabi as a tool and a stylist resource. So we have Opulent Beauty Stylist, which has all of the information for our stylists. It's almost like an online handbook. So it has our mission and our core values, again, what apps to download, how to set up their salon interactive because our stylists can sell their own product. It's our offer, which is what's included in their employment. We also have our standards in there and things on guest experience. We have our standards like our dress code, cleaning responsibilities, how to set up their coaching calls, teamwork expectations. We also have solutions for them. So anytime they are struggling with something inside of the salon, they can literally go to this resource and find the answer. And the reason why I do this is because my stylists come and go as they please. So they may get there in the morning and they may be the only person there. We don't have a front desk staff. We do have assistants and support staff, but they may be scheduled at a time that those people aren't in the salon and they may have questions. So some of the salon solutions we include in this Kajabi section for the salon is how to handle a bad review, leadership proactive conversations, how to handle an unhappy client, what to do when you're sick, what to do when you want to say no to a client. So these are all things that they need to know: what to do if you're running late, what to do if your client is running late. We really do have and try to put as many resources in here for them so they feel supported with somebody in or outside of the salon. We also have other things like information on our color lines, information on how to do certain treatments. We have a social media resource, which is just captions and templates and pictures that they can literally download right from Kajabi so they can use it for their social media. Really has simplified the process and it keeps everything all in the same space. Another thing I love about Kajabi is it allows me to host my podcast. Yes, it literally connects to all of the podcast software, so Apple, Spotify, and I literally do everything for my podcast, including analytics and all of the things through Kajabi. So it really does house everything for my business in one space. When I say that, I truly mean it. They also have a coaching option, which I'm obsessed with. So in the coaching option, it allows me to track and communicate with my team what we talk about. And again, there is a Kajabi app that your team and my team downloads, and they can access all of this information right from their phone. So the business and coaching section of Kajabi, I have an account set up for each one of my stylists, and I can upload what we talked about, if there was any questions, any PDFs that went with that coaching session, any proactive conversations we've had, along with a copy of a written warning. All of it can be downloaded into their separate coaching file, and they can access it at any time, which is amazing. You can also have other classes that you sell or other classes that you offer for your clients. So we are extension focused. We are in the process of putting together a how to care for your extensions class for our extension guests. And this will literally have videos of everything that our clients need in order to care for their extensions. And this goes from how to wash their extensions, what products to use, links to purchase the products from our online shopping. This also includes PDFs, any contracts. All of these things can be accessed inside of this class, which we are super excited to launch. We also can have classes for other people. So if you want to sell a course to hairstylists or any other course that you feel like is in your niche, you can absolutely do that through this software as well. You can also set up offers, you can set up coupons, you can take payment, you can have affiliates. So if you want to have an affiliate program for anything you offer inside of the salon, like a referral program, that's something else that you can also utilize through Kajabi. Kajabi also allows you to capture emails, market, and create automations. So the beautiful thing about this is you can create an email automation where it automatically sends the client information, and if they click on something, it will send them another email. I mean, the opportunities and the benefits are endless. The automations are so great. So even if you're capturing somebody's email to start marketing to them, the automations are great because it can automatically direct them or send them a video. It can send them a PDF. So anything that you really want to do for your business, Kajabi has you covered. Another thing that we are utilizing for Kajabi is forms. So we have a form set up for our extension guests, and all of the different email lists can be kept separate, or you can definitely market to everyone as a whole. But for our extension guests, they fill out the form. It automatically accesses them a virtual consultation, which is just videos that we've put together with all of the information that they need about the extensions before they come into the salon. So we did this to kind of simplify the process. This will answer the questions and get the client moving on to the next step. And then we give them the option to book the appointment or to set up an in-person consultation if they have more questions. This goes over pricing, over care, frequently asked questions, and it's literally something that they can watch from the comfort of their own home to help them work through the process of deciding if they want extensions, which is so great. It also tracks analytics beautifully. It is something that I feel like I can no longer live without. There are so many capabilities and so many things that you can do to automate your business using Kajabi. If you want to try Kajabi for 30 days, I'm going to put a link in our show notes. You can sign up through our referral link. If you do sign up through our referral link and you do decide to invest in Kajabi, it is an investment, but like I said, it does your email marketing, it does your funnels, it does your forms, it definitely automates things for you as a salon owner. If you sign up using our link, we will send you a free Kajabi class, which will show you how to set up your forms and how to automate your process for your virtual consultation. And we would love for you to take a screenshot of this podcast today and let us know if you found this podcast helpful and if you want to start automating your business using Kajabi.